Today we have a really cool product review. Today we are reviewing a product from the company called Operation Mod Out. They make lights that you stick on the inside of your door. So when you open the door, it'll shine a light on the ground. Today we'll be doing a review. One of these says TRD Off-Road. The other one says Tacoma. So we'll put the off-roads on the front and then the Tacoma on the back. This will be a review as well as an install video. So if you do buy these, you'll be able to figure out how to put them on. It is super simple to install. It is just a sticker where it just sticks to the door. So you can essentially put them anywhere you want, kind of like down here at the bottom of the door. There's a magnet on it, and then when the door opens, it'll automatically turn on. So at nighttime, when you open the door, your car will look really cool because you'll have this really nice light. So it also helps, like if you end up dropping your keys or anything like that happens. The light comes in super handy. I've had these built in the Mustang that I had before this, which was really cool. I really loved having these, so I'm super excited to be able to bring that nice light from when you open the door onto my Tacoma. So we'll kind of jump into the actual install, and then we'll wait till it gets a little bit darker out and actually show you what it looks like at nighttime. And one thing that's really cool is if you look at the back of this box, it actually has the QR code that you can scan for a video on how to install it, or you can just continue watching this video and I'll show you how this is installed. So taking a look at what comes in the box, you have the actual lights. So it does not include any batteries. So you will need a couple AAA batteries. These are just the Amazon brand, or you can get whatever brand you want. So you need 3 AAA batteries for each side. So there'll be 4 total, 2 in the front and then 2 in the back. And these stickers, this is what sticks to your actual door. And then it comes with like an alcohol prep pad, which helps with any of the sticky stuff that you might have in your door sill. We'll start with putting the batteries in. Pretty easy to do. There you go. So I went ahead and got the batteries on this. So it works 2 ways. Like whenever you open the door, there's like this little metal magnet you put on your door that swipes over this, and that's what turns it on. And then once it reconnects, it'll turn it off. So one thing that's cool about this is you can kind of see, like even in the daytime, you can kind of see the word Tacoma on my hand, which is cool. You can see it like Tacoma on the side of the truck there. So that's cool. Easy to set up. So next what we'll do is we'll go ahead and use this alcohol pad, one for each side, and kind of wipe down the inside of the truck where it's going to actually go. That way it'll stick better. So as you see here, this red thing, you just kind of pop out this little this little piece in the middle. This will will go on the magnet itself, whereas this just goes on the back of the lighting device. Now that you've got the sticker on, you want to make sure the red side is facing up. And then the next thing you'll do is peel up the red part of the sticker. This is what it should look like once you take the backing off, the red backing. The next thing you want to do is find a good part of the door to actually stick it. So with this Tacoma, there's not a ton of options here. This is where the speaker is. If you stuck it here, a lot of it would not shine because it'd fall on the side steps here. And if you did it too far this way, it would not stick properly. So I went ahead and just kind of stuck it right here in the middle of these 2 things. So it'll shine on the ground kind of right here once the door is open. The next thing you want to do is find about kind of like this part right here where it actually connects at, and then you would want to put the magnet. You take this sticker that you popped out earlier and stick it on the magnet, and then stick the magnet where on here that it would go underneath here. So this is what it looks like completely set up. So you want to put it on here. You want to kind of put it towards the bottom. As you can see, the light's on right now. And then this is pretty much exactly where the magnet needs to line up on the 2024 Tacoma. And what happens is once you close that door, like let's see if we can see. Yeah, it's not dark enough right now, but the magnet essentially lines up perfectly when it's closed, and then you can see that it automatically turns back on, and then it'll shine on the ground, which I'll show you once it gets darker out. But that's essentially how you will do all 4 doors. It is now dusk. All the lights have been installed. It was fairly easy. All you had to do was just kind of sit inside and kind of move the magnet around a little bit to figure out where the sweet spot was, and then take the sticker off the back, stick the little magnet there, and all the doors are done. Didn't have any issues. One of the doors was kind of difficult because I have like a car seat, so I had to kind of like reach around from the front to see, but for most people you're not going to have an issue. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like at dusk, and then when it's actually like super dark outside. So this is now dusk. So this is the TRD off-road. The one that says Tacoma is on the back. So this is what it looks like at dusk. Then we'll do the other side. Got the Tacoma. And then we have the TRD off-road. Because the off-road is red, it is kind of hard to see at dusk. However, the Tacoma looks really nice. We can see here, this is a little bit of a lifted compared to your average vehicle. You can see the letters come across nice and crisp, which is nice. Even from further away, you can still tell it says Tacoma. Yeah, we can see Tacoma and TRD. The off-road, I'd say, is probably going to be only visible at nighttime when it's really dark. But I am liking the Tacoma. That one looks good at dusk. Nice crisp letters, and fairly easy to install. It is now officially dark outside, so let's take a look at how these look at nighttime. There we go. Much better. Nice and dark. You can definitely see it. And the Tacoma. Oh, that looks real nice. Got the TRD off-road and the Tacoma. And on this side, Tacoma. And the TRD off-road. So that's how it looks. As far as which one I like better, I think I'm going to go with the Tacoma. I just like how bright it is. I think the off-road's just a little bit harder to see at night. I do really like both of them though. But yeah. So what do you guys think? What do you like better, the Tacoma or the TRD off-road? But either way, I do really like these. And for those that have been following my channel for a while, as you all know, you can never have too many lights. Let's talk final thoughts. So, the company that sells these, they seem to be good quality. I actually accidentally dropped one of them, and it didn't damage it. It didn't crack or anything like that. It works just fine. These do take AAA batteries. That's really the only thing where I'm like, I wish it would include batteries. That way you don't have to go and buy any. But I mean, overall, I do think that it looks really nice. I really like the white Tacoma. I thought I was kind of liking the TRD off-road better, but I think I might actually like Tacoma better, mainly because it's all white. Maybe it's just because the red letters don't show up as good unless it's super dark out. But overall, I think it's a great product. I'll throw a link in the description. So if you want these for your Tacoma, they also make them for all different kinds of vehicles. It's universal. So even if you have a Honda Accord or anything like that, you can have these on there. It's affordable. for what it is. I do think the price is good. That's important to me. I don't like to promote products that I think are just completely outrageous, or only cater to a special class of people. I'm looking for stuff that's good on Tacomas, and that people like me would like, and I like these. I think they're cool. So that's all I got for you guys today. Link in the description for the product, and as always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.